Today, let me explain something about object-oriented programming. Some people say it is hard, but let me explain something here. Now, let's take an example. You have laptops in a box, then you pick out one laptop and say, this laptop I have at hand is a Dell laptop, and then it is running maybe a Windows operating system. It is black, it is having maybe an 8 GB RAM, it is having a 500 GB hard drive, and then maybe its processor 3 point something, maybe 2 point something gigahertz. Now, what are you defining? You're defining the attributes about that laptop. You got it from a big collection of laptops. So in this case, in object-oriented programming, we shall call it a class of laptops. Then you brought out one and you started defining features about it. This is what we are going to do here. Open your favorite editor. I'm going to use VS Code. I'm going to create a class, like I said, named the laptop. In this class named laptop, I'm going to create a method. I'll name it _init__. Then within these parentheses, I'm going to define some parameters. The first parameter by default is self, and then the next parameter I'm going to define something about the brand name, operating system, color, ROM, hard drive, and processor. So I'm going to say so here what am I doing? I'm passing some parameters within this. The first parameter by default is called self. Let me explain about self. The self parameter is a reference to the instance of the class. Now after this, I'm going to come down and I say self dot brand equals to brand. I'm going to explain this in a second. Then self dot PC name equals to PC name. Now this parameter self, this one here, is a reference to the instance of the class. We use it here. We start it here with self.brand, so that Python doesn't think this is an ordinary local variable which has been assigned the value brand. So it is a common convention where we name the parameter name to be the same as the attribute name. Actually, I didn't define def. Def is a keyword that's used to define a function or a method in Python. And then init is the name of the method. In this case, this method I've just created, which is a special method in Python classes. When you create an object or a class, Python automatically calls the init method to initialize the object's attributes and its state. It sets up its state. Now I'll come here and I'll create the first object of this laptop class. Say I'll call it laptop1. I'll say this is the first instance of the class. That's how we call it in object-oriented programming. Then I will assign this laptop values. I'll assign the brand, assign it as a Dell. Then PC name, I'll call it desktop1. Desktop1. Then operating system, I'll say it is running Windows. And then I'll say the color, it is black. I'll say the RAM, it is running a 4 GB RAM, and then gigabyte HDD. Then processor, I'll say it is a 3.0 gigahertz processor. Okay, this laptop 1. I'll say laptop 2. I'll call another one, say laptop 2. Say laptop 2 is I'll give it some brand. I'll say this is an HP processor, maybe it is a 2.4 gigahertz processor. So I'm going to print here. Let me add a comment and I say here we are creating objects of the laptop class. Then here I'm going to print the object's attributes. So I'm going to say, if I say print laptop1 dot brand, this is what it will print. I'll come and run this. Come and click run to say this is a Dell. First clear this. If I come and say print laptop 2 dot brand, and I click on sorry, I can just run this again to say laptop 2 is an HP. can simply come and run it again. Say laptop 2 is an HP, laptop 1 is a Dell. So I'm going to create some formatting here, fancy statements here. I'm going to say your PC is a Dell. We say this laptop 1 dot brand, comma, and then I'll go to PC name, and its name is, sorry, let's say it is named laptop 1 dot PC name. Then I'll go to the operating system, and it is running laptop 1 dot OS, and then perhaps I may put a comma, and it is laptop 1. The color for laptop 1, I say it is black dot color, comma, and I'll go to RAM, and it is having should I call it and it is having laptop 1 dot RAM, and the same it is having laptop 1 dot HDD, and then having a laptop 1 dot processor. I can add speed here. Let me print this and we see how it will appear. I'll first comment this out. I run this. It will say your PC is a Dell. Let me first clear this. Let me run this again. Your PC is a Dell, and it is the name I've made an error here, and it is running Windows, and it is black, and it is having a 4GB RAM, something like that. I can do the same for PC2. I will say this is sure. I'll just change this to laptop 2. This laptop 2, and I'll still run this. Okay, let me first give you this. This saying your PC is HP and his name is desktop 2 and it is running Linux and it's white. So here I'm just printing the statement about this object we created, these two objects we created, and that is how to create objects in Python.